ngixolele kakhulu khona into engicasulayo ma MK vukani manje ngicela abantu ba MK babuye la babuke le video bantu be IFP buyani la nibuke le video bantu be EFF buyani la nibuke le video nani be PA angazi patrollers wonke lamagama ngoba vele zonke lezi zinto ezika yakhe wonke lamaphathi nansi into engifuna ukuthi ngiraise eneniyayiziba enanifuna ukuyizwa iqiniso lethi nali limile nje iqiniso futhi alijikwa iMK winile nationally winile futhi lento ngizoyichaza bekuna 3 wamaphepha lapha 3 regional provincial national umuntu ebethi mayingabhalisanga into endaweni zanga kube iningi for example uthola ukuthi igama lakho aliveli la ngakini bese bekuthiwa vota ke votela umthetho waka IEC uthi votela at least national obvious abantu bebevotela iMK iMK kuyakhombisa yonke indawo ANC failed dismally and ni izwe le ndaba engishoyo before kuvotwe I think it was a month before kuvotwe uANC wakhipha istatement esithi yena uzoyenza collusion no DA which means kwaqala kwavela amaxoko umuthi kabanjalo wami lo muthi lo ushaya bahlulwa nokufihla ukuthi thina sizosebenzisana neANC if ever akusihambeli kahle because sebebonile le system yabo vele ibisiqali libatshela njengamanje yonke indawo siyabona ku social media it's trending abe MK they are playing open cards bawavula amakhadi wabo kanje nakhe masidliwe nakhe I think we've only lost I think ama VDs if I'm not mistaken now 7 or 12 ama VDs we are talking about VDs not even a word VDs eswaluzile nje nakho kancane siphazanyiswa kwezinye indawo iIFP siphazanyiswa kwezinye indawo yiyo iDA right benike nansi into engimangazayo only 12 that is only KZN only remember we are even in Cape Town kakhulu and njengamanje iANC itsheltise kakhulu yona asikaqedi bafethu umuthi sisaya phambili sisaya futhi lento siyoyisha ngathi nibona ngathi ijoke asijoke angidlali iANC yazi la kunemali khona one ise Cape Town Stellenbosch imali lapho kakhulu because they deal with the wine kakhulu nemkhumbe eminingi efika ifikele Cape Town number 2 ehamba phambili kakhulu iTheku ngoba phethwe ihub lapha yana eMtateni naseBay number 3 Mpumalanga amalahle wonke aseMpumalanga bese kuba iJoburg right benze kanjani babona ukuthi KZN they can't manipulate the system because vele uyayibona iyayikhulumela lento abantu bayikhulumela kuyoma yonke into kovala yonke into bayazi ukuthi KZN yahluleka ekubhaleni ingene emgwaqweni kuyacaca nje bahamba baye eMpumalanga bafike bayithatha eMpumalanga bathi sidliwe eMpumalanga kanjani sidliwe kanjani ngoba eMpumalanga abantu bacula iMK kanjani sifuna ukubona ama numbers wakho ukuthi okay naku sidliwela dukuduku Stellenbosch bagwave na ngoba vele babefuna ukwenza iborder gate bathi izwe la ngale kanjani guys South Africa vukani Mzansi vuka wake up South Africa wake up we are sick and tired of these people they are stealing our country we are sick and tired something must happen about this lento kumele kwenzeke something if it means it's a debate or it's an audit ayenziwe akho ANC ewinile akho DA ewinile amanga alihlaza lawo aphi lawo ma numbers they need to show us they need to prove it to us lento yakho TV asisebenzi ngeTV asisebenzi ngesystem where are they getting those numbers okuthiwa bona sebehleli ko 53% uANC uhleli ku 53% nationally ayikho le there is no such thing I am angry because we have worked so hard this is the ground we are on the ground and people are talking and they are sick and tired uzophatha apho umongameli ebantwini abangamfuni because akekho umuntu othanda ubaba uRamaphosa abamfuni baba abakufuni abawubathi bathu South Africa abawubathi ubatla kiba obafadi tender bathu abawubathi awunyaki, step down, resign, because senza okunye futhi ke ngemithi, because thina asinayibham, thina asinamali, into esigwabe ngayo umuthi, sibhizi ngomuthi futhi, and laba bafunde kakhulu, stand up guys, this akufanele ivunywe nje, akufanele sivume. We've wasted our time, we've invested our time in South Africa. Ayikho into okuthiwa i-ANC ewinile nationally. There is nothing like that. There is no such. Aba accept badliwe bawatholaphi lama number. We need answers. Le video ayitrend, le video ayicirculate. We need answers from IEC. Prove it to us ukuthi ngempela i-ANC winile. Ayihambe le video. I am angry. This is not all about us. This is about ingane zethu ezihlan, i-generation. Siyilwele le countries. U94 ke manje lo. Silwile. Ayikho leyo nto, ayivumi i-ANC idliwe ne-DA. Banamanga. Izinto zika Rupert zonke lezi. Banamanga bamanipulate i-system. Ayikho leyo nto.
Ikhala ngenkohlakalo ebonakala kwi-ANC ne-DA inyanga yodumo uDr Kehlelezi